Hello everyone. Today is day 71 and I have a few little things pulled out. We'll see if it's going to be enough or if I'm going to need to add some more to it. I honestly am sort of ready for this project to be done. I just have a lot of other things I'd like to do, and because of this project I'm not getting to do them all. I hadn't, really thought how much. Yet, granted, every project takes time, but this project it's a little long, and I don't want to stop doing it. I really want to finish doing it. I want to accomplish that, so I will. But I don't honestly think I will do it again next year. I may change my mind, but it's just, one of those things. We'll see. We'll just have to see. So, anyways, I'm going to continue to work on my project here this morning, and we'll talk to you towards the end when I come back to finish it up. needs to be it for the day. I need to go on. This one was real simple, but I thought it worked. Sometimes I add dots and it just seems like it finishes it, and sometimes I'm not sure. So anyways, let's see what our quote from our 1001 Ways to Creativity is today. And a broken heart can produce as much creativity, if not more, than a heart which has never known pain. Okay, that's pretty interesting. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed. Go have fun. Make some art. Bye-bye.